ambapo anatuhumiwa kwamba alishtakiwa na wanataka kumhifadhi kwa masiku 30. Mashtaka hayo yalipingwa na upande wa mawakili wa Ezekiel, na kisha uamuzi kama ataweza kupewa siku 30 ama ataweza kuwekwa kwa siku ngapi ama ataachiliwa kwa dhamana unahitajika kufanywa leo mwendo wa saa 8. Sababu ambazo zimefanya uamuzi huo kutolewa mwendo wa saa 8 ni kwamba maamuzi yote ya sheria katika mahakama zetu ni jambo ambalo ni la kawaida. Maamuzi ama rulings na majudgment huwa zinapeanwa mwendo wa afternoon. Kwa hivyo hakuna kitu chochote ambacho sio cha kawaida. Hiyo ni kawaida. Kwa hivyo tumekuja kama mawakili kujulisha wale wafuasi walioko hapa kwamba maamuzi ya kesi ya Pastor Ezekiel itakuwa mwendo wa saa 8. Kwa hivyo tuwe na subra, sababu kuna lile ambalo linasemekana kwamba sisi tunamwakilisha mtu ambaye hafuati sheria za taifa, lakini vile mnaviona, na tutasema kwamba haya yote ni kwa sababu ya uwezo wa Mwenyezi Mungu. Sisi kama mawakili tuko tayari kabisa kupambana na kuleta ukweli wa yale ambayo yatahitajika. Jambo ambalo kidogo ningeelezea kwa Kiingereza ni kwamba allegations have been put that the pastor is involved in taking bodies to Shakahola. I'm appealing to all Kenyans who have ever come to the church, who have ever brought their patients, who have ever brought a patient who has died, and that patient was taken to Shakahola, to go to any nearest police station in the country and they give that evidence, because up to now, none of those people who have ever taken anybody to for 1 year and 1 month to Bishop Pastor Ezekiel's church, there is nobody. So we are appealing to the over 5 million followers of the church. Anybody, even one, who has evidence, don't be shy. Go to every police station, the whole country, and record a statement. There is nothing like that has ever happened. And we hope that today the court will release Pastor. He goes home. He goes to preach to the people. Amen. We hope also today the church will be ordered opened so that the congregation will have a place to worship. Yes. We hope today Pastor will be released so that he goes to do his mission and preach to the people. My good friend, Cliff Ombeta, can add one thing.
Be there. Evidence must be brought. It is a case where you must prove. When officers come and say that they are looking for 30 days so that they can be able to investigate, and until now they are doing nothing, then it is a high time whereby members of the public, anybody who had a complaint, to come forward and bring it. Until now, there is no complaint. They are saying that the bodies that are at Shakahola must have come from the church of Pastor Ezekiel. Anybody, and I'm repeating what Danstan Omari has said, anybody who has information, who has a complaint regarding even one single body, one, not even two, please come forward. Go to the nearest station and register that complaint. Because right now, there is nothing of that kind of evidence that has been brought to this court. They made a statement and said, oh, he's going to be charged for murder and all that. Even if that is the case, it still must be evidence. So anybody who has a problem, anybody who has a complaint, please step forward. Because you can see the direction we are taking is not a safe one. We cannot have people being brought into court and being kept and people asking for time to keep them in custody for no reason at all. pastor is not involved in politics. He is not interested in politics. Yes. He has never been interested in politics. Yes. And the simple thing he's saying is, release me so that I can go to my flock. Release me so that I can go to my people. My people.
Okay, you have to find a new application.
Yes.
Maybe we can talk about it. Have you been able to find it?
The application.
Shadrach will deal with this.
Well, we have filed an application which essentially seeks to arrest the ruling that is meant to be delivered at 2 p.m. The gist of the application is that, one, the DCI approached the court using an affidavit, a sworn statement that makes very wild and unsubstantiated allegations. So as a very good response to the affidavit, we have equally put in an affidavit that seeks to respond blow by blow to every single issue that has been raised in the affidavit, so that we can put to doubt, we can put to flight any question, any query that has been brought forward by the DCI. So you will remember that the question as to whether there is ground to detain him is a question of law. So really, we are just but seeking the audience of the court, but before they can deliver that ruling, well, let us reopen this issue. Let us do a post-mortem of the whole issue. Let us establish whether there is enough ground or it's just but hot air. Words that have just been put by some lethargical investigators, people who have not even gone to the ground, people who have not interrogated the whole issue, and people who are just but keen on